Reloading!
Hello there. My name is Muted, and again, I'm doing this for the third time, I think. Third time? Third or fourth time? Um, I have used my airsoft gun once again to record some sounds. I'll most likely leave a link to a collection to all these sounds I've made so far. I have made the M16, these pistol sounds, and these MP5 sounds.
Ammo!
I'm pretty proud of them. They took a fair bit of work, probably more than you'd expect. And yeah, I did lie. Alright, I don't have like an actual M16. I have an M4, an airsoft M4 that I use to. Well, I mean, they're basically just the same gun, just one fires and burst fire, and it was also made in the 70s. Yeah, I mean, that's basically it.
Reloading!
I'm pretty proud of it. What do you think? Yeah, thanks for watching.